Workers are losing their jobs to Tesla bots? Although it has been around for a while, the notion of robots replacing manual labor and cutting labor expenses now has a distinct meaning. Many functions and jobs have already been replaced by robots, but we are talking about specially designed, programmed robots for those jobs here, not the all-purpose humanoid robots that science fiction sold us. Nonetheless, humanoid robots occasionally come back into fashion, and certain firms rally behind initiatives like the Honda Asimo. With its Tesla Bot project, Tesla is currently spearheading a new humanoid robot renaissance. This renaissance feels distinctive since Tesla appears committed to not only producing a new robot, but also using its manufacturing resources to make the Tesla Bot a real, widely available product. Elon Musk is optimistic about robots, at least his own. The CEO of Tesla stated that his business was building autonomous androids that would relieve humans of their dangerous, monotonous, and boring professions in advance last year. According to a recent job listing, the business aims to deploy thousands of new robots dubbed Tesla Bot or Optimus in the Tesla factory where some of those people presently work. Musk also vowed that Tesla's version of intelligent machines would be friendly, despite his previous warnings that they might at some point turn against humanity like the Terminator. The world might witness how welcoming it is. Musk originally spoke about the project during AI Day in 2017, estimating that the android will be roughly 5 feet 8 tall, weigh 125 pounds, and be capable of carrying 45 pounds. The robots would soon be able to perform jobs like going to the supermarket to buy a predetermined list of groceries using the same autonomous driving technology as the company's vehicles, he claimed. In the future, physical work will be a choice, he said. If you want to do it, you can, but you won't need to do it. If you are currently hiring individuals to undertake physical labor, you won't have to do so anymore. Nevertheless, aside from Musk's lengthy history of predicting revolutionary technologies that never materialize, there are several reasons to be suspicious about the picture Musk describes. Although automation is becoming a more strong force in many industries, it is not the panacea Musk has portrayed it to be. And to the degree that he expects androids like Optimus to address his own workforce difficulties, he is likely to be disappointed. A factory populated with humanoid robots rather than genuine humans is at least a decade away, if not more. When it released its Model 3 vehicle a number of years ago, Tesla notoriously ran into production-related automation issues. Musk has long argued in favor of using factory automation to build large quantities of automobiles. He has even dubbed his dream AI-filled, robot-powered factory the Alien Dreadnought. Nevertheless, the technology didn't entirely function as intended, which caused bottlenecks on the Model 3 production line. Tesla ultimately decided to construct a factory line in the parking lot of its Fremont, California facility that relied more on manual work than automation. Musk at the moment tweeted, "Humans are underrated." Over hundreds of years, several work categories have been subject to automation. The automation of industry has spread to financial services, manufacturing, and even agriculture. The auto sector has been at the forefront of this development, especially in rote or repetitive tasks like lifting components or closing doors on cars. The Fremont facility of Tesla is not an exception. Yet, these robots don't yet resemble bipedal C-3PO types. Rather, they resemble huge, hyper-articulated industrial arms. However, such a robot is still quite distant in the future and cannot move like a human or not have equivalent hand-eye coordinations to manage objects. It is also unclear why creating more robots with human features would be more advantageous given that robots already perform the repetitious duties. An inquiry for comment regarding the Tesla bot's placement on the vehicle assembly line is necessity, and potential workforce effects was not answered by a Musk spokesman. From the perspective of a business owner, one distinct advantage that robots have over people is that they don't voice complaints about long workdays or in-person tasks, harmful chemical exposure, high accident rates, overt racism, or other unfavorable working circumstances. Neither do they create unions to push for better ones. Organized labor and Musk have had a tense relationship in the past. Musk was found to have broken labor regulations last year when he hinted in a tweet that workers could have to give up stock options if they organize. This year, the NLRB found that Tesla had denied its employees' ability to wear pro-union t-shirts to work. Unions have frequently campaigned against the use of robots in the workplace. Nevertheless, automation need not mean that jobs would disappear. According to Josh Bivens, research director at the Economic Policy Institute, automation may ultimately benefit the economy if there is a stronger society safety net, more high-quality employment opportunities throughout the economy, and a comprehensive plan for helping workers who are automated out transition to new positions. And in order to genuinely achieve maximum productivity, business frequently require the support of their personnel. They also need to give employees the time and space to advance their skills. In certain instances, unions and businesses have worked together to negotiate new positions for employees and give them a voice in the implementation of automation. Collaboration between a company's workforce and management is required for it all to operate, even when rising automation can reduce or stop union participation. So are Tesla bots going to take over the human workforce? Nope. The answer is a big no, for now at least. But the future's uncertain and anything can happen, even the Terminator. Might be interesting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, because we keep bringing such interesting content for our audiences.